In this exercise, we will learn the eraser tool. The eraser tool works as it is named. It is to erase subjects in the image. It is a great and simple tool, but it is also a destructive tool, as we cannot create a separate layer to erase anything in the original layer. Okay, let's see how this tool will work. If I move my arrow key on the tools, then we find the eraser tool here. If we right-click on it, then we can find the E shortcut key for this tool. I have an image open, so let's start erasing the subject. Boom! We can erase anything. We can also change the brush size with the left and right bracket key. But I don't use this tool too much. I always mask to remove things, and we will learn about that tool in the next exercises. Okay, in the next exercise, we will learn the background eraser tool.